Hi, I'm Andrew Sanchez, Production Manager of the Mitigation Department here at PuroClean of Central Southwest Houston. Water damage can come from a number of sources, including water heaters, bursted supply lines, AC condensation leaks, broken or leaking pipes inside the walls, dishwasher, washing machines, and even your sprinkler and irrigation system. Our number one priority is response time. Once we receive a job order from our administration team, we have 4 hours to arrive on site. By that time, I get the work order. All the job information has already been set up, and I dispatch one of our trained technicians right away. The very first step is documentation. This is critical for the insurance compliance. We use our company phones to capture photos and everything, moisture readings, a close up of damage items, even 3D scans with DocuSketch. Every detail matters because it provides proof to the insurance company. Next, we identify the source of water and trace the flow of water throughout the property. Once we understand where it's coming from and where it's spreading, we determine the category of the water damage. There are three main categories. Category 1: clean water like a burst supply line. Category 2: water that started out clean but has been sitting up to 48 hours like a washing machine overflow. Category 3: contaminated water such as sewage and outside flood water. Based on what we see during our inspection, we create a preliminary scope of work. Part of that involves determining which materials are salvageable and which materials are not. For example, some flooring and cabinetry may be saved, but others may need to be removed. We then contact the insurance carrier to share our initial findings. If cabinetry or flooring is required to be removed, we will seek approval before performing any demo. Once approvals are in, we'll complete the demo and begin the drying process by setting specialized equipment like air movers and dehumidifiers to restore the property's environment safely. Throughout the process, we document everything to keep insurance carriers informed and to protect the homeowner's claim. Later, we'll use a program called Xactimate to build the detailed estimates, but we'll cover that in a separate video. In short, our water mitigation process is about fast response, thorough documentation, and effective restoration. Whether the damage comes from a water heater, an AC line, or a burst pipe, or an appliance like a dishwasher, our team is trained and ready to help.